How to log out of Gmail on PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of Gmail on PC. To log out of Gmail on PC, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device, and here you need to go to the Gmail website and log into your account. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, you will need to type in mail.google.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Gmail. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. At the top right of this Gmail window, you will see the profile picture or the profile icon. Once you have found this icon, you will need to click on it, and soon after doing that, you will see this pop-up window. There you will see two different options, Add Account and Sign Out. Now to log out from your Gmail, you will need to click on this Sign Out option. Click on Sign Out. By doing so, you should now be logged out of your Gmail account. As you can see, now you have been successfully logged out from your Gmail account. Now to sign in back to your account, you will need to click on the sign in button at the bottom, and then you will need to enter your password in order to verify your account and log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out of Gmail on PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.